Hello guys, you're watching Tech Trends channel and my name is Morgan. Today I show you how to install TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter in the kALI machine. Let's get started. First of all, you want to upgrade the kALI Linux machine. Now insert the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter to the kALI Linux machine. Then go to terminal and type the following command: ls usb. Then press enter. It will show the USB hub which are connected to the kALI Linux machine. Here you see that the TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter not detected by the kALI machine. Now go to the option and turn on the Wi-Fi adapter. Now go to terminal and type ls usb and see the result. I hope you guys you like this video. If you have any doubt means leave in the comment section. Thank you for watching.